Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn more about UX design. How can we learn UX design? How to become a UX designer? Yeah. You, there is a no subject for UX designs and all because we needs to experience the experience. With our experience only the UX will come. Okay. So take a paper and pen and write it your childhood memories. So you can go how long you can go and recollecting that memories. So that particular incident, no, how who are all the surrounding environment, what are all the things you are remembering. So just write it down. Pause this video and write it down. After that you can play this. Yeah. So all of them are having some incident, no, that was a happy moment or sad. Is there anything so that you're remembering, no? uh, in this our journey, no, you are that particular incident only you are remembering. After that the day-to-day life, it's going and we are forgetting that things. But how that things will remember? Because that connect, something connect with emotions. That sad things or any happy moments, that particular things only we are remembering. So our human mind was brain was connecting with the emotions and recollecting that memories. That emotion has so many power to recollect and store the data from our brain things. Yeah. And also you can observe this board image and take a 1 minute and observe what are all the things in this image. Did you think, is this good design or bad design? um, what are all the things you observed? Just write it down. Okay. uh, we'll see these things. Oslo Lufthavn. Okay. It seems like some airport, no? So someone was waiting to collect the tickets, boarding. So someone was carrying the trolley and reaching some destination. Yeah. Mm. So where is Oslo Lufthavn located? Any ideas? Okay. Mm. I will give you the clue. So Lufthansa is a German airline, you know. So it's made from German. So if you tell, okay, Oslo Lufthansa was in Germany, you're right, because our human mind was collecting that, uh, connecting, is there any information or data we are observing, no. If I tell that Lufthansa was a German airline, so Oslo Lufthansa was located in Germany. So that's the main thing our brain was collected that information. So we are all stick that answer. So Oslo Lufthansa was located in Germany, but Oslo Lufthansa was located in Norway. Okay. So I just telling that, told that Lufthansa was a German airline. So it was a German made aircraft, you know. But our mind was suddenly that was okay, the Oslo Lufthansa was Germany only. So that external inputs, no, it also needs to think that okay, it was connected to this particular image or not. Yeah, we need to think apart from that, what are all the information. Okay, so mm, maybe that maybe will helps you to throughout the UX process journey, so that you don't need to think that solution. If maybe we put means, we can recollect that information more. So okay, Oslo Lufthavn may be located in Germany or maybe located in Norway, like things. So we can collect the more information, so that maybe will helps you. Yeah. And also you needs to observe the oh, surroundings environment, is the daytime or night time. So if you are want to become a UX designer, we need to observe more things. So it's a sunny day, so like daytime only. So UX designer needs to think and observe the minute detailing, how many surveillance cameras are there in this image. So that things and all you wants to observe. Okay, so you can observe daily 10 unique things. Okay, so is there anything, it's a minute product, or is there any switch, and also the bottle cap, anything. So just observe the 10 unique things every day. Okay, so we'll see on the next video.